Hey guys, it's Katie here, and I have a little challenge for you. How many stitches can you knit in a minute? Do you even know? I saw a bunch of posts in the last couple of months about some people challenging each other to see just how many you can knit in a minute. And nobody really cares, it doesn't matter. That's the beauty of knitting and crocheting, is that we can do it a million different ways. But I was just curious. I was very curious. So I'm gonna test myself. I have my little marker here, and full disclosure, these are perfect conditions. The row I'm working is knit all, and I have really no distractions. So we're gonna see how it goes. So yeah. Set a 1-minute timer.
1 minute. Counting down.
We're off to the races. All done. Now let's count them up and see just how many stitches I knit in a minute. 64 stitches in just 1 minute. How many can you knit in a minute?